Hello, this is Ian Stark for NewBlue FX with a 60-second studio tutorial to show you how you can transform an everyday shot into a pseudo-miniature scene using the Tilt Shift plugin from the Filters collection. Here we've got a rather busy scene shot in Nepal, which I want to give a bit of a miniature model feel to. When I have the time, I like to create my own presets from scratch, but I rarely have the luxury to play around, so I tend to start with a preset and tweak it to suit. Now this is already pretty close to what I'm after, but I want to adjust a couple of settings to work better with my footage. Firstly, I want to raise the centre of the blur to be roughly in line with that road, so the buildings are more in focus. Then I'll adjust the angle of the blur again so it approximately follows the line of the road. And finally, I'll drop the defocus value to really give it that miniature model feel. A few tweaks here and there to get the positioning right, and I think that's a great result. Be sure to check out Tilt Shift as well as the entire line of video effects at www.newbluefx.com. Thanks for watching.